Got American Sports Card Collective. 3-person split here between Eric, AJ, and Chad. We got our draft order. Case number 92 was what was drawn. Okay, we'll do the random for the bonus item at the conclusion. Here we go. Alright, let's hit something crazy here. Alright, number 1. That's an insane Red Wings patch. Brett Hull, in the game used, 1/1 jumbo patch. It's got the Red Wings logo on there. Game jersey, 01-02 season. That's really freaking cool. I like that. Very neat. That's one of the only hockey cards we've seen out of this. I think there was an Ovechkin 1/1 autograph. Alright, next. We have a racing, NT Racing booklet. One of one Casey Kane with the Chevrolet logo. 1/1 Casey Kane. Fire suit from 2020 NT. Okay. Number 3. Is a 1/1 Kyrie Irving 1920 Contenders Draft autograph. From Duke to the Nets and Boston in between. 1/1 Kyrie Irving Contenders Draft auto. Next up, pack number 4. Is a National Treasures, this is a cool hit. Tony Gwynn. 2-color patch autograph. I don't know if I've ever actually seen an autograph of him featuring him playing basketball in college. Tony Gwynn, 1/1, 2-color patch autograph, San Diego State. That is from 2016 NT. Next up. Uh-oh, what we got here? Uh-oh. Bat Knob Relic book card. I always like to see that. Who is it going to be? Let's look together. Who is it going to be? Oh my God. Sammy's going to lose his mind. Vlad Guerrero Jr. just hit 3 homers last night. 1/1 Bat Knob. That is freaking awesome. Wow. Nice. I like that. And we got our last pack before we get to the random for the bonus item. Vladdy. Bat Knob. Perfect timing. Alright, the last one is another booklet. Oh, it's not. Never mind. That was a book. It is not. It is a 8-piece patch, 1/1 of Juan Soto. Nationals. That's from National Treasures 2019. 2019 NT. Alright, let's switch back on over to the random for the bonus item. Okay. Alright, there are the bonus items that are left. Again, 4 times. We'll do the one in spot number 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, it is bonus item number 8. Going down here, bonus item number 8 is That is the Pittsburgh Pirates World Series team ball with Clemente. There she is. Pirates team ball. Let's go. And again, that is JSA authenticated. Excellent case overall. Guys, go ahead and draft away. Eric, number one pick is all you. Go for it, bud.